Just a quick handheld on my phone video. I added limit switches today to my X-axis power feed on my mill. The stops can be set anywhere along the full travel of the bed on either side. When we engage the power feed, of course that kills travel in that direction. Simply change directions now. And that stops it in that direction. Again, the stops are adjustable anywhere down to full length. I have red marks on each end of the table now for the maximum distance out, but the stops are adjustable to the max on both ends. And this is why I wanted to mount my DROs on the back of the table, DRO scale on the back of the table instead of the front of the table.